What's up, guys? Chronica 420 back, and we just got a nice order in from BLUELAB, a bunch of BLUELAB products. Basically going to be testing these all out from start to finish. Here we've got the pH pen, BLUELAB's pH pen. It's just a basic pH pen. It's just a pen, comes with the cap. This cap doubles as the storage solution holder. As you can see, it has this little hoop here which you would hang it on the wall to keep it upright, and that would keep the solution stored in the pen like that at the bottom of the cap, keeping the probe nice and fresh for every use. Basically, so doing that, so we'll only have you calibrating the pen once a month, and we'll stop from the probe actually drying out. That being said, with the pH pen, you also get one package of pH probe KCI storage solution, a packet of pH 4.0 calibration solution, and one packet of pH 7.0 calibration solution. From everything I hear, this is the top of the line pen out there, so we're actually going to put this to a test. I do have another pen from another company which I will post up a video of later. Basically, it's the opening and everything that comes with it. But that's just the basics for the pen, very basic. It's only a 2-point pen, as you can see. So you got 5.9, where there's a lot of pens out there that will have 5.90. That doesn't really bother me too much. But other than that, moving on to the next product over here at BLUELAB, we've got the BLUELAB Guardian. With this, we've got the meter. This meter here, as you can see, it does 3 different types of units: conductivity, temperature, and pH. Conductivity, you get to choose between 3 different ones: EC, TDS, or ppm. Your temperature, as you know, you get either Celsius or Fahrenheit. And then pH, everybody knows their pH. It also has alarm settings. You can turn off the lights on it and everything, say if you had it in your tent. Ultra long cords to reach your reservoir. Comes with multiple adapters for different country uses. As you can see here, you've got your conductivity and temperature probe, and then this here would be your pH probe. You need to take special care of this. Another thing that I noticed that was noted with BLUELAB is do not use this unit to be mixing your newts. You can ruin this probe by putting it in straight RO water that you would start with, as it's just unbalanced with its actual pH, and it'll fly all over the place and actually screw up this unit apparently. It does come with 2 packets of one packet of each of the pH calibration solution. It has no probe storage solution, as this is a monitor and it sits in the water the whole time, so you don't really need to store it. If you do, then moving on to the next thing that I got will be the thing that will help you out. But moving on, over here we've got, last but not least, the BLUELAB pH and conductivity probe care kit. I find this one's very essential to have. Basically what it comes with is you get the kit contains probe care instructions, 3 times plastic cups for mixing up your solutions in. Also, it comes with 20 ml single-use BLUELAB solution, single-use solution sachets, 2 of each. So we've got pH 7.0 and pH 4.0. We've got the KCI storage solution, and then we also got a 2.77 EC conductivity standard solution to basically stabilize your EC and TDS and ppm. Also, it comes with the BLUELAB pH probe cleaner, which is right here. I think it's this toothbrush, or sorry, yeah, that's the toothbrush, or sorry, this is the probe cleaner, guys. And then you got the BLUELAB conductivity probe cleaner. This is the actual toothbrush pH probe cleaning instrument. And then you got a BLUELAB chamois, I think it's called conductivity probe cleaning instrument here. That's what you'd use to clean, I guess, the conductivity probe on it, as it says. But as I said, this is a very needy kit. You can get most of these things in actual large bottles too. But other than that, guys, that's about it. I'm going to keep you guys updated on how all these units work, and do a second video on how everything's hooked up after. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do so on the bottom of the page there. Once again, thanks for tuning in. It's Chronica 420. I'm out.